How to draw Shaymin the Pokemon, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Shaymin, we're going to begin by drawing a big flower on Shaymin's side. We're going to draw this right here towards the center of our page. In total, this flower on Shaymin should have 6 petals. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. I upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Also, in the description of today's video, I'll include a link to my Pokemon drawing tutorial playlist so that you can see all of my Pokemon drawings. Now once we're all done drawing the outline of our flower, the next step will be to draw on the inside of our flower by making 6 small lines. Nice, so far we're off to a great start. Now on the bottom right hand side of that flower, we're going to draw 2 small leaves that are both connected. Are you all done? If so, let's continue. Now on the top part of Shaymin, there's a big piece that looks similar to a part of a bush. We're going to draw this big piece now, and it will connect all the way over from the left hand side of the flower, all the way over to the right side of the leaf that we just drew together. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Nice! Now once we're all done drawing that big piece, the next step will be to draw 4 small circles on the inside of what we just made. These 4 circles will help us separate the colors, and at the end of the video you'll notice that they'll be colored in yellow. So now that we have the top part of the body made, the next step will be to draw the lower part of the body. So let's go on the left hand side of the page and let's draw a small circle for the nose and fill it in mostly black. Let's go ahead and connect this nose that we just made to that big piece right above by using a simple curved line. Next, underneath of the nose, we'll draw a second curved line that is going inwards, and this will help make us make the bottom of the face. Well done! Now a little bit below and a little over to the right, we're going to draw the first leg as well as foot. If I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video. Now we will draw the second leg and foot on the left hand side of the one that we just made, and this will help us connect the face to the leg. Now connected to the first leg that we drew, we're going to draw a big curved line that is going from left to right to make the belly of Shaymin. Now connected to the end point of where we just stopped, we're going to draw the first back leg. Let's go ahead and connect this back leg to that big piece right above. Now to the left side of the foot that we first drew, we're going to go ahead and draw one more foot, and this will connect to the belly. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. Now let's go into the face and draw the only eye that will be facing us, along with the mouth right below. Now on the inside of that circle that we just made, we're going to want to draw the pupil along with the iris. Fantastic. Now last but not least, let's go right below the eye and let's draw the mouth, which will appear to be open. This is how to draw Shaymin the Pokemon. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to check out our Pokemon drawing tutorial playlist, which I'll put a link to down in the description below. It will also show at the very end of today's video. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.